Okay. Beat it out, beat it out.
Well, it's not up yet.
Oh, it's not
It's good for me.
Okay, okay.
Hey, go up, up. And give the fish kiss.
That ain't nice.
Yup.
Don't catch me
sorry.
with them lice.
Yup.
Hair lice in a fucking dome. Hair lice, bitch, go home. Huh? Oh, cross side. Now I'm domed. Oh,
I got one.
people copy me, they a clone.
Yup.
Hit up my cellular phone, 808-343. Ain't gonna finish. Then I'm heard. What's up, guys? So it's another beach sesh. As you can see, with my boy Riley. He's over there in the truck. We're gonna send it. Oh shit. Yeah, I mean, even though it's raining, it's kind of clear on that side. Hello. Is it another beach day?
It's another beach day.
Yeah.
What's up? We're at Green Walls. It's flat, but it's nice.
I know. There's like a couple good barrels. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's actually barely. Oh, how's that? How's that? We might go surf soon. We're just looking for a good spot.
Get some ankle snappers.
Drop some airs.
Got some airs.
Yeah. All right.
Peace out.
This is how you wax. Shit. This is how you wax a really nice bodyboard. So you get the arms, yeah? Arms. And then over here. Equal right. And then the best part is the body. So you go like this. And then you go like that. And then you go like that. Yeah? And then you make the shaft nice and long, yeah? And then you go to balls. Then we're ready. let's send it.
That's called the John and Kelly Slater.
Surf sesh.
Kind of small. Still fun.
It was big though. It was big earlier. Kai, how's the surf sesh?
My nipples are hard.
Oh, set boy! I caught it. are the waves that we saw? Oh Lord! Eric just wants his ramen. I love me some ramen. Surf lessons with Uncle Riley. First lesson, you learn how to sit on a board.
That's it?
Second lesson, you catch a wave. Third, you impress the babe. So, we're gonna wrap up our beach sesh. Stayed here for like, how much would you say?
3.5 hours.
Yeah, 3.5 hours. I caught, how much did you say I caught?
Half a wave maybe?
Yeah, half a wave. I say half a wave. It was an unsuccessful day for me, but Riley, we're straight up shredding. So, wow, look at that. So yeah, I guess catch you guys next time.